Cirrus Vision Jet G3, the newest version of Cirrus's small single-engine personal jet. It's built for people who want efficient travel in a jet, but with systems and automation designed to keep the workload manageable for an owner-pilot. The biggest change in the G3 is the cabin. Cirrus reshaped the interior around real trips and real passengers. The G3 adds a third row, so the cabin can seat up to 7 people, described as 6 adults and 1 child, with a third row bench seat layout. The seats themselves were reworked for comfort and support, with improved ergonomics and more cushioning. Cirrus also highlights practical details that matter on longer flights, like built-in tray tables, power outlets, and device mount locations in front of passenger seats. Big panoramic windows and the carbon fiber fuselage shape help the cabin feel open for its size, with decent head and legroom. Under the hood, the Vision Jet uses the Williams International FJ33-5A engine. Cirrus publishes clear performance numbers for the aircraft: max cruise speed of 317 ktas, max operating altitude of 31,000 feet, and a takeoff ground roll of about 1,910 feet. This jet is still all about the owner-pilot idea. Cirrus says the Vision Jet was designed to be the easiest turbine aircraft to fly, with simplified systems, low-speed handling and approach speeds that are meant to feel forgiving, plus a type rating program tailored for Cirrus owners. Safety is a major part of the Vision Jet identity. Cirrus highlights 2 headline safety systems: CAPS, the whole airframe parachute system, and Safe Return Emergency Auto Land, designed as an extra layer of support in a serious situation. This is one of the reasons people pay attention to Cirrus in general. The company built its reputation around safety systems as standard equipment across its lineup.